Welcome to the Quick Start Guide for your Obscape PTM. This video will walk you through the process of getting your device up and running in cellular mode. Before you even open the box, you should have received an automated email inviting you to create your Obscape account. Go ahead and create your account if you haven't already. Now open the back door of your PTM. On the control panel, you'll find a unique activation code. You'll need this to activate your device. On the data portal, navigate to the devices page. Enter the activation code here to activate your PTM and associate it with your project. Next, click on the map page. Before powering on the device, click on the location where you'll be deploying it and create a station. You can always relocate the station on the map later if needed. Click on the new station pin, then go to the menu and select Edit Devices. This is where you will couple your newly activated device to the station. Remember, for practical purposes, all your data is associated with the station, not the device itself. This means you can easily swap out devices later on while maintaining an uninterrupted dataset for the station. If you have purchased an Obscape Global SIM card, your SIM card will come pre-installed in your PTM device. On the Global SIMs page, you'll see the SIM card already coupled to your device. You must now activate it based on your country and zone. Choose the zone that gives you the best balance between cost and supported operators for your location. The Global SIM will automatically connect to whichever operator has the strongest signal. If you have decided not to purchase a global SIM card from Obscape, you will need to procure your own SIM card and ensure it is active. You can check this on the SIM provider's website or by testing it in a phone. Next, you'll need to specify the APN for your SIM provider. This only applies to locally sourced SIM cards and not Obscape's global SIM cards. Using a laptop and a micro SD card reader, open the settings.txt file on the PTM's micro SD card. On a new line, without a hashtag preceding it, type APN equals your APN, replacing your APN with your provider-specific APN. You can usually find this by searching online for operator name, country, and APN. On the Obscape data portal, set your device's sampling and communication intervals to the shortest possible configuration. Once all the settings are configured, you can power on the device. The device will now go through its startup sequence. Once it makes a happy sound, reload the portal. And you should see that the startup was successful. We recommend testing the device for 24 to 48 hours in a location with direct sunlight before deployment. After installation, you can switch to longer sampling and communication intervals depending on your monitoring needs and the power budget of the device. And that's it. Your Obscape PTM is now ready for deployment.